मैं स्टोर क्लोज कर दीजिएगा काइंडली। Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Students, first of all, please turn on your cameras. Hurry up, beta. Turn on cameras. Marij, Manahid, Yashad, Dua. Beta, turn on cameras. Okay, fine. Okay, first of all, I would like to ask you that before Eid holidays, I assigned you um, a creative writing that was about email writing. Have you done that? Email writing. Did you write an email? Students, please let me know. Raise your hands if you have done your work. That was your homework? Email writing? Okay, Dua has done. Who else has done? Yeshad? Okay, fine. What about Marij and Manahid? Have you not done email writing? That was in the chapter of Kagan Valley. Have you not done that? Okay, what about Marij and Manahid? Have you done email writing? If you have done email writing, then please raise your hand. Okay, I'll be asking you later. On Wednesday, I assigned you letter writing. On Tuesday, I assigned you letter writing. Who has written letter? Yes, Yashad, unmute your mic. I'm going to ask you about letter. Unmute your mic. Okay, Yashad, what was your homework? What was letter about? Yashad, beta, unmute your mic. Okay, letter was about that you had to write a letter to your uncle and you had to thank him for a gift which he sent on your birthday. Okay, so this was the topic. I hope that you have done letter writing. If you have not done, then please do it. Please complete your work, students. And on Wednesday, I sent you a story outline. Who has written story? Raise your hand who has written story with the help of an outline. Who has written story with the help of an outline? Okay, Marij has done. Good. Dua has done. Manahet. Okay, have you written? Can you show it to me, Manahet? The story which you have written, which I sent you outline of it. Okay, Marij, fine. Marij has done. Marij, show me moral. Show me moral. That is on next page. Okay. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, fine. Yashad, show me your homework. Turn on camera and show me your homework. Manahed, turn on camera and show me your homework. Dua, please show me your homework. Yes, Dua, I'm waiting for you. Yashad and Manahed, I'm waiting for you. Show me your homework first. Okay, Dua, what is this? Is this story writing or letter writing? Okay, fine. Fine, Dua. Yashad and Manahid, please turn on cameras and show me your homework. Yes, Zainab, I sent you homework that was outline of a story, and you had to write a complete story with the help of that outline. Okay, Zainab, if you have done your homework, the story writing, then please turn on camera and show me your homework. Okay. Zainab, can you show me your homework? Yashad and Manahid, please turn on cameras and show me your homework. Zainab, if you have done story, if you have written story, then just raise your hand. Okay, unmute your mic, Zainab. Zainab, have you done story? Zainab, have you written story? Okay. Okay, so now we are going to start. Those who have not done homework, please do your homework, which I assigned you. Today we are going to start revision. Okay, okay, Marriage, leave it. Now you will just listen to me. Your books and your stationery must be with you. Your books, language tree student book and workbook, and your stationery must be with you. Okay, now we are going to start simple present. Simple present tense. Okay, when we talk about simple present tense, it tells us about present time. Okay, it tells us about time. Simple present tense tells us about time. So it tells us about different actions of present time. Uses for, you can see on the screen, uses of simple present tense. When we are talking about habits, then we can use simple present tense. Later I will be telling you examples of it. When we are talking about habits, then we can use simple present tense. For example, this is a habit. He smokes. Okay. He smokes. It is the habit of that person. Or she eats chocolates. It is her habit. Okay. So this tense tells us about habits. And then repeated actions. What we are going to repeat, or habits or repeated actions, you can say. Simple present tense is also tell us about general truth or universal truth. For example, the earth revolves round the sun. So it is universal truth. Everyone knows that earth revolves round the sun. Okay. And then if we are going to plan a near future, or we are going to arrange something, arrange an event or incident, um, then we use simple present tense. Okay. If the situation is permanent, for example, she works in a bank. I teach to class 5. Okay, permanent situation. I teach to class 5, or she works in a bank, or she works in a school. So then at present time, this tense can be used in this situation, in permanent situation. Okay. If there are instructions or directions, for example, if I say you that open your books, or look at page 3, then this is instruction. Open, the word open, that is actually simple present tense. That is actually verb that is used in simple present tense. Okay, I'm going to tell you examples of it. Look at this. Students, look at the screen. The simple present tense is used to tell about habits, general truth, repeated action or unchanging situation, emotions and wishes. For example, he smokes or she eats chocolates. So it is the habit of that person. He smokes. ठीक है, जब भी वो smoking कर रहा है. Or she eats chocolates, it means that it is her habit that she loves chocolate, so that's why she eats it. I work in a bank. It is a permanent situation. It is also unchanging situation that cannot be changed. समझ आ रही है? Unchanging mean permanent also. ठीक है? I work in a bank. I teach to class 5. Okay. London is a large city. It is a truth. Obviously, if we say that Karachi is a large city, then that is a truth also. If I say that sun sets in the west, that is also universal truth. ठीक है? You can see in the last example, the sun sets in west. That is also universal truth. Okay? This is truth. Truth mean वो चीजें जो change नहीं हो सकती हैं. The things which cannot be changed. Okay, when we are talking about any arrangement, we are going to plan something, then we use simple present tense. For example, your exam starts at sharp 9 a.m. Okay, your exam starts at sharp 9 a.m. So it means that after 4 or 5 minutes or after 2 or 3 minutes, your exam will start, or after half an hour, your exam will start. Your exam starts at 9 a.m. Next, if we are talking about near future, or we are using conjunctions, or when there are two actions. Class 5, please listen to this point carefully. When there are two actions in a sentence and we have to translate it in present tense, we have to write it in present tense, then with one action we'll be using will or shall, and with next action after conjunction, with next action, with second action, will be translated in present tense. For example, he will give it to you when you come next Saturday. It means when you come next Saturday, he will give it to you, or he will give you your books. Clear? If there are two actions in a sentence, one will be written with will or shall, and second will be written by using present tense, simple present tense. Okay, but in one part of the sentence, will or shall will be used. Clear? And second example, I won't go out until it stops raining. You can see that won't is a short form of will not. You know it because you have done it. Won't, will not. I will not go out until it stops raining. You can say the word stops is in present tense, and go. And with go, we have used will. Are you getting, students? Who, if you are not getting, you can raise your hand and you can ask me. Okay? Okay, look at more examples for habits. He drinks tea at breakfast. It means that daily he drinks tea at breakfast. Okay, she only eats fish. It is also showing the habit of that girl. They watch television regularly. So daily you watch television. For example, if I say you watch television regularly, if you, it is also a habit. Okay. Repeated actions. We catch the bus every morning. Okay, this is repeated action. ठीक है, जो चीज repeat हो रही है daily. We catch the bus every morning. Every morning they have to go on duty, so they catch the bus every morning. It rains every afternoon in the hot season. So if these days it is raining daily, then Simple present tense will be used because it rains every afternoon in the hot season. Okay, they drive to Monaco every summer. Monaco is the name of a place. Clear? So these are the examples. Now which helping verbs are used in present tense? Class 5. Now I'm going to tell you about helping verbs which are used in present tense. Do is used in present tense and does. These two helping verbs are used in present tense. Okay. Does is used with he, she, it. Okay. Does is used with he, she, it. ठीक है? And with rest of the pronouns we will use do. He, she, it के साथ does use होता है. And with rest of the pronouns they, I, we, you उनके साथ do use होता है. Clear? Form of verb, first form of verb is used. Clear? And look at the screen. Manahid, Yashad, beta, please don't do this. Please be attentive. Okay, verbs ending in ch. ऐसे verbs जो कि ch पे end हो रहे हैं, sh, y और o और double s. They have es at the end. ठीक है? You can see watch will be converted into watches. When there is a wash verb, it will also be converted into washes. Study. I told you a rule, if you remember, that when we are going to convert it, when we are going to add es with it, then we'll replace y को किस में change करेंगे, I में. And I told you when we were doing the exercise of adjective, जब हम adjective कर रहे थे ना, I told you that y will be converted into I. Y will be converted, y change हो जाएगा I में, and then we'll add es with it for making it a verb. Go, O. It is ending at O, and then we'll add es with it. At the end of it, we'll add es. So these are the verbs ending in ch, sh, x, double s, o, consonant plus y, like in study or in fly. ठीक है? Fly में भी consonant है y से पहले l, और study में भी y से पहले consonant है d. ठीक है? Then we'll change y into I and then we'll add es with it. This is a structure. Yashat, please be attentive. Please be attentive, beta. Turn on cameras. Turn on cameras, beta. Maraj, Manahid, Yashat, Zainab. If you do not turn on cameras, your absence will be marked. Hurry up, Maraj. Manahid. Absent mark कर दूंगी मैं. Hurry up, Manahid, turn on camera. Zainab, turn on camera. Okay. I told you about helping verbs, do and does. These are two helping verbs which are used in simple present tense. Does is used with he, she, it, and do is used with I, we, they, you. Which form of verb is used? कौन सी verb की form use होती है? First form of verb. We use first form of verb in simple present tense. Clear? Okay, verbs which are ending with ch, sh, x, ss, o, consonant plus y, then we add es at the end of it. ठीक है? If the verb is ending at y, we'll change y into I. ठीक है, students, class 5, you know it. I told you that y will be changed into I. Yasha, don't do this. It's not sleeping time, Yashad, I'm watching you. Okay, this is the structure of simple present tense. You can see the sign of plus. Plus का sign नजर आ रहा है? Plus means affirmative sentence. Minus negative sentence. You can see here a question mark. It means interrogative sentences. Clear? First one is affirmative sentences. Second, जहाँ पे minus का sign नजर आ रहा है, it is negative sentences. It is the structure or formation of negative sentences. And the last one, जहाँ पे question mark है, this is formation of interrogative sentences. Okay. First of all, there will be subject, then we'll use verb, and then we'll use object. This is the order. ठीक है? इस order में sentence बनाने हैं. Firstly, there will be subject, then verb. We'll add s or es with the form of verb. Okay? In affirmative sentences, we will not use helping verb. Class 5, are you getting? In affirmative sentences, we will not use helping verb because helping verb do and does, these are used only in negative and interrogative. Helping verbs do and does are used only in negative and interrogative. Do and does do not use. ये affirmative sentences में use नहीं करेंगे आप. ठीक है? You will use these helping verbs in negative and interrogative sentences. And with these, with do or does, you will use first form of verb. Have you got it till here? Have you got it or not? यहाँ तक किस किस को समझ आई है? Please raise your hand. Hurry up, beta. Raise your hand who has got it. Okay. Manahid, have you got it? Okay, in negative sentence, there will be subject, then we'll use do not or does not according to helping verb. Then we'll use first form of verb, that is also called base form. ठीक है? Base form और first form same ही होती है. You can say base form or you can say first form of verb. At the end there will be object. ठीक है? Subject is doer, जो action जिससे action perform हो रहा है. That will be subject. Okay, in interrogative sentences, helping verbs will be in the beginning. ठीक है? In interrogative sentences, helping verbs will be in the beginning. Then we'll add subject and then verb and then object. Look at the examples. Affirmative, negative, interrogative. 3 columns are there. Manahid, please don't do this. I'm watching you. Affirmative. Boys, please be attentive. यशद एंड मनाहिद, आपको पता है टीचर आपको देख रही हैं. Why are you doing this? I'm continuously watching you. So please don't do this. It's not good. Affirmative. I run fast. Okay, I'm going to ask you which is subject, which is verb, and which is object. Manahid, unmute your mic. I'm going to ask you. Manahid. Hurry up, beta. Time is about to over. Manahid, unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
First of all, tell me which helping verbs are used in simple present tense. Yes, Manahid, hurry up, hurry up. Manahid, which helping verbs are used in simple present tense? Yes, beta. Manahid. Yes, tell beta. Okay, Yashad, unmute your mic. I'm going to ask you. Yashad, unmute your
Yes,
mic.
teacher.
Okay, which helping verbs are used in simple present tense?
Simple present tense.
Yes, I'm asking you which helping verbs are used in simple present tense. Yashad, don't you know? If you do not know, then please let me know that you do not know. नहीं पता? Yes, Yashad. Okay. Marish, beta, I'm going to ask you. Yes, which helping verbs are used in simple present tense?
Yes, miss.
Which helping verbs are used in simple present tense? Okay, कौन से helping verbs use होते हैं simple present tense में? Yes, Marish. Marish, I'm asking you which helping. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Do and does. These are the helping verbs which are used in simple present tense. We use does with he, she, it, and we use do with I, we, they, and you. Okay. Now open your language tree workbook. We are going to repeat these exercises because I think you have already done. Okay? Open your workbook. Hurry up. Page 3, exercise 3 and 4 we are going to do.
Teacher, page number.
Page number 3, beta. We are going to revise it. Dua, it's language tree workbook. It's page number 3, exercise 3 or 4. And these exercises are about simple present tense. Okay, who will read it? Marij, would you like to read it? If you like to read it, then okay, unmute your mic. Fine. Okay, read exercise 3.
Read the text and complete the gaps in the sentences below using verbs in the third person.
Okay.
When my friend grows, when my friend
Okay,
grows
listen to
up,
me.
he
Marij, listen to
wants.
me. Wait, beta. Whatever is written in gray box, these verbs, the verbs which are used in this paragraph, that is written in gray box. Okay, those verbs are in past tense. You have to convert it into present tense. Clear? For example, grow up is converted into present tense and that is grows. Have you got?
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Yes, when I grow up, I want to be a chef. When my friend grows up, he wants to be a chef.
Very good.
I
Very good.
love cooking and I go to cooking classes every week. He
Okay.
loves cooking and
Good.
he goes to cooking classes every week.
Very good.
I don't want to stay at hometown. He
Okay.
does not to he does not to stay in his hometown.
Beta, after does
I
not,
have
you
a
have to
friend
wait,
in
Amaris. After does not, you will use want. He does not want to stay. He does not want, WANT. He does not want to stay in his hometown. Okay, continue.
he does not he, he does not want to stay in his hometown. I
Fine.
have a friend in Europe and plan to go overseas and live with him. He has a
Hmm.
friend in Europe and plans to live with him.
Good.
Mm, I hope to become a famous. He hopes to become famous.
He hopes to
I
become
am
famous.
planning
Fine.
to be very busy.
Hmm.
I am planning to be very busy. He planned to be very busy.
Very right.
I don't I don't I don't think I will miss my family. He doesn't think he will miss his family.
Correct. Very good. Thank you, Marish. Thank you. Okay, Dua, would you like to do next exercise? Because we have short time. I think 7 minutes are left only. Dua, would you like to read uh, this exercise 4? Read instructions, then we will be doing it. Unmute. Okay, fine. Yes, Dua. Beta, read it. Instructions. Exercise 4. Okay, Zainab. Yes, Zainab. First of all, read instructions, then we'll be doing exercise because 5 minutes are left.
ये कौन से
Page number 3, exercise 4. Page number 3,
exercise
4.
क्या चलता जो पेज
Choose
नंबर
3.
2 4
Zainab, workbook page number 3.
exercise number 4
Yes.
choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence.
Okay.
My friend bakes cake very well.
Okay. There are two options, bake or bakes, and you can see that bakes is used with it. Bakes is used with the subject my friend. Okay. Because it is singular, it is also affirmative. So S is used with it. Bakes. So that is correct verb which we'll be using here. In second sentence, Zainab, read second sentence and please do it.
We dash all very fond of food.
Okay. Okay, fine. Are. Third one.
Dash anyone like to become a chief
Chef.
chef. Does
Yes. Good. Does anyone like to become a chef?
my family dash a good taste for food? Has
Okay. Good. Sentence number 5.
I dash not have so much time to play. Do
Good. Next sentence. Next.
anyone in my family dash cooking?
Yes.
Likes.
Good. Next
Cooking
sentence.
dash any
And
cooking dash an enjoyable
pastime.
pastime. Is
Fine. Fine. That's correct.
do you like baked tomatoes?
Potatoes.
Do
Fine.
no
Next
one
sentence.
dash fish in our house?
Okay.
It's
Good. Fine. Thank you, Zainab. Thank you. Okay, students. Tomorrow we are going to do past tense, simple past tense. Okay. Today we have done simple present tense, class 5. We have done simple present tense today, and tomorrow, not tomorrow, in next class, that will be on Tuesday. Okay. In next class, that will be on Tuesday, I think 25th August. Then we'll be doing simple past tense in next class, and then we'll be doing all the exercises related to simple past tense. Yes, Zainab, do you want to ask something? I'm going to unmute you. You can ask.
teacher nothing. Nothing.
Okay. Okay, class 5. Yes, Marriage, do you want to ask something? Unmute your mic. Yes,
Teacher,
Marriage.
I don't understand some present tense.
You did not get simple present tense. What did you not get,
No,
beta?
miss.
You were listening
I
to the
only
lecture.
understand present tense.
What? What did you understand?
Present tense.
Okay, I'll repeat it for you. Okay, I'll repeat this tense after past tense. In next class, we'll be doing past tense, simple past tense, and then we'll be doing after that class I'll be repeating simple present tense. Okay, 1 minute is left. Okay, Marriage, listen to me. These are the uses of simple present tense कि कब हम simple present tense use कर सकते हैं when there are habits. For example, I love chocolates, so it is my habit. ठीक है? And I eat chocolate. Clear? At that time we use simple present tense. And then if there is any repeated action, for example, my father read newspaper daily. My father reads newspaper daily. So ये repeated action है. Then we use simple present tense. If there is general truth, the earth revolves around the sun, it is also truth. ठीक है? Or Karachi is a big city, it is also a truth. So earth वाली जो truth है वो universal truth है, everyone knows about it. And general truth, Karachi is a big city. Okay? Then we use simple present tense. समझ आ रही है Marriage? Marriage,
Yes, miss.
are you getting?
Yes, miss.
I asked you that during the lecture I asked you if you are not getting, then please raise your hand. पूछा था ना मैंने.